Along with all the great buttonholes, the sewing on of the buttons, there is also an eyelet in the Pfaff Creative 1.5 sewing machine. It's stitch number 33. It does recommend the foot 2A, and all you have to do is stitch. I mean, it's preset, so it's not really hard. So anytime that you need just something to stick a ribbon through or an opening, it sews, it stops, you use the thread snips, you're done. That's how easy an eyelet is to sew. Now you do have some options where you can actually make it a little bit wider or a little longer. You can make it smaller if you want, but check it out. An eyelet is so simple and could even be used to tie a quilt. So for those of you who have actually done like the hand stitching and the tying in between each of the blocks, what about an eyelet or even a button or a decorative stitch? But you saw how fast it stitched. Wouldn't that be so much easier to go through all those layers with something like a stitch like the eyelet?